Okay, we have got 15 marks. Let us take them all. 6.1. In a random experiment, A and B are two different events. Suppose that the probability of A is equal to 0,4, the probability of B is equal to K. If the probability of A or B is equal to 0,6, for which value of K is A and B mutual exclusive? Now what we need to know is that the probability of A and B is equal to 0 if the two events are mutual exclusive. So we will use the probability formula. The probability formula that states that the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Now the probability of A or B is equal to 0,6. Is this one? We are just doing substitution. That is equal to the probability of A, which is 0,4. We write 0,4 plus the probability of B, which is equal to K, minus the probability of A and B, which is equal to what? 0. It is 0 because the two events are mutual exclusive. So now we need to solve for the value of K. You take this 0,4 to the left hand side of the equation. That will be 0,6 minus 0,4 is equal to K. Therefore, the value of K is equal to 0,2. 6.1.2, for which value of K is A and B complementary? So in order for us to find the value, we need to write the complementary formula. That will be the probability of A plus the probability of B is equal to 1. Now we do substitution. The probability of A is equal to 0,4. The probability of B is equal to K, and that is equal to 1 then. Now K is equal to 1 minus 0,4. Therefore, K is equal to 0,6. 6.2. In a class of 60 learners, 8 learners take history, 41 learners take mathematics, and 16 takes neither of these two subjects. All right, 6.2.1. Calculate the number of learners that do both history and maths. So we are looking for the intersection. So it's easy to find the intersection. We have 8 learners that takes history. So we know it's going to be 8 learners minus the intersection because we don't know the value of the intersection. And then we say plus the intersection itself. Now we go to the math side. Math side, we have got 41. So it's plus 41 minus the intersection. Outside the two events, which is A and B, we have got 16. So it's plus 16. And then we equate this to 60. All right. Now, this right here will give me 0 because it's minus x plus x to give me 0. I am left with minus x is equal to 60 minus 8 minus 41 minus 16. Minus x is equal to negative 5. Then we divided the left hand side and the right hand side by negative 1. So that will give us x is equal to 5. Therefore, the intersection is equal to 5. So we need to draw the Venn diagram. That is the next question. It says we must draw the Venn diagram to illustrate the above information. So let us quickly do that. So the sample space for the Venn diagram is 60 because we have got 60 learners. And then we have got the ones that are taking history and the ones that are taking maths. The ones that are outside, we have got 16 that are outside. Then the intersection is 5. For history, we are told that we have got 8 learners. So it's 8 minus 5 to give us 3. For maths, we are told that we have got 41. So it's 41 minus 5 to give us 36. So this one is our Venn diagram. 6.2.3, it says determine the probability of a learner taking history only. So we have got the probability of a learner taking history only. So now we go and check there. We have got 3 for history only. So it's going to be 3 divided by 60. We can simplify this to 1 over 20. 6.2.3b. It says determine the probability that a learner does not take mathematics. The probability of not maths. So these learners, they don't take maths. So we have got 3 plus 16. 3 plus 16. These ones are the ones that are not taking maths. So we have got 3 plus 16. We divide by their total number, which is 16. So that will give us 19 over 60. 19 over 60. The probability that a mathematics learner is also a science learner is 0.927. Determine the number of learners that take science. So amongst the learners that are taking maths, we do have the learners that are taking science. So now we need to find the number of learners that are taking maths. So we will have to say 60 minus the ones that are not taking maths, which is 19, and then that will give us 41. So we will say x. We say x because we don't know how many learners are taking science. Then we divide by what? By 41. That is equal, now that is equal to 0.927. Then we cross multiply this. X is equal to 38. So we have got 38 learners that are taking what? Science. So we've got 38 learners that are taking science. You can cross multiply and then you will quickly get the answer. Thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Take care.